Hello, how are you, everybody? My name is Martha. Today, you are going to learn about three important words and their sound effects. All right, so listen. Word number one, welcome. Listen, welcome. Home. Two, home. Again. Three, again. Yes. Now listen to the sound effects. Welcome. Home. Home. Again. Again. Yes, that's right. Okay, now listen and you tell me the word. Again. Home, right. Welcome. Right. Now, one more time. Welcome. Home. Again. You're right. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.